gustong paimbestigahan ng isang mambabatas ang issue ng contaminated baby formula ng Nestle Philippines. Binatikos din ito ang Health Department dahil sa umano'y kakulangan ng aksyon. Nakukulangan si House Deputy Speaker at dating Health Secretary Janet Garin sa tugon sa issue ng contaminated baby infant formula ng Nestle Philippines.
Nakakalungkot siya because even if there was a product recall and there were announcements that happened, hindi siya masyadong nakarating dun sa baba. And I was actually going through the reports. Nakita pa siya in Mindanao, nakita pa siya in Visayas. Buti kong big stores, but the smaller supermarkets, wala yan masyado. So, in this situation, there would be a lot of products na mawawala na ng control ang manufacturer or even the distributor.
Nitong Enero, nag-issue ng voluntary recall ang Nestle sa 49 na bansa kabilang ang Pilipinas dahil ito sa posibleng toxin contamination sa ilang batch ng baby infant formula na nagdulot umano ng pagsusuka at diarrhea sa ilang sanggol. Sa On Point ng Billionaire News Channel, ipinaliwanag ni Garin kung gaano kaseryoso ang issue.
Napaka-stricto ng GMP or the good manufacturing practice that should be observed in that aspect. Hindi siya ito kasi mga baby. And the effect of cerulide contamination is actually nausea and vomiting. Yung toxin kasi na yan, hindi siya nawawala even in boiling water. The problem is, kapag may sakit yung bata, they're very prone to dehydration. So,
kinokonsidera ni Garin na paimbestigahan ito sa Kamara. Bukod sa Nestle Philippines, pinuna rin niya ang kakulangan sa aksyon ng Health Department.
I did not hear the Department of Health talking about this because the Department of Health has a very huge network. Ang laki-laki ng pondo nila on health promotion. I believe FDA should start investigating whether the declared batches is commensurate. They're mentioning manufacturing in the Cabuyao plant. What we learned kasi was there were changes in the equipment in their company in the Netherlands. At nung nagbago nga equipment, nagkaroon ng contamination along the way. So we are not aware what happened in the Cabuyao plant.
Ayon kay Garin, posibleng mapatawan ng sanctions ang Nestle Philippines. Sang-ayon din si Congresswoman Garin na dapat nang magkaroon ng mas striktong safety standards hinggil sa mga infant formula. Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.